Hey, this is Jason. I'm in the woods right now. I hear a lot of birds tweeting. Oh, there's a robin up there somewhere. One sounds like a cardinal. Yeah, he just flew away after it. Oh shit. Never mind, he just took off. He's in here somewhere. You hear him? See, he keeps on moving around. He's up in the tree somewhere. Yeah, there's a cardinal up in the tree. He's making all that noise. He's around somewhere up in that tree. I don't see him. Where the heck is he? There he is. I caught the bastard. See? See, that's him right there making all that noise. Get him, birdie. See the bird? Oh wow, the bird's gone. That's it. Hey, Jason, did you see the cardinal? The cardinal was up in the trees. I tried to get him, but he kept on moving around. But that was a nice cardinal, nice and red too. Yeah, he's pacing back and forth in the tree. The heck with it. He's up there again somewhere. Anything else in the woods here that I can't see? Yeah, he's up there. You can't see him. See, he's still making that noise. Hey, it's Jason. I'm still here. I didn't go nowhere today. Nope. Oh, I got a couple of birds now. Yeah, they're up here somewhere. Yeah. He's up in that tree somewhere. Making a lot of friggin' noise. You hear him? See right there, see him? There he is, he's back. Where'd he go now? He keeps on making noises. I don't see him. Hey, this is Jason, that crazy bird in the trees.